Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? Welcome once again in Ask Abhishek Raj Daily Dossier. I will load you up with all that you need to know about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the stocks that you need to keep on radar to make money in today's session. So let's begin. Let me share the data quickly. So first of all, on indices front, apart from Metal Index, which closed marginally negative by 0.06%, and Nifty Auto, which closed about 0.02% negative. More or less, all indices were positive, with Pharma and Banking Index performing the best in yesterday's session. Foreign institutions did buy some shares, about 1100 crores buying was done in cash market. On futures front, they sold about 300 crores of stock futures indices. It was kind of flat, approximately 84 crores of buying was done. Remember, in last session they had sold quite good number of indices. Volatility was negative by approximately 3%. Overall, it was a positive day. Domestic institutions sold about 900 crores. So on institutional fund flow, there is nothing exciting in the markets. One thing important that happened in yesterday's session, the recovery, the buying was seen in the last hour of the trading day. One thing very important, we are reaching the expiry. Thursday 17th September is the expiry day, and one number very important, index options were purchased in today's session. Bank Nifty had made a low approximately 22,000 levels, and again calls were written for sure, so the premium were lost. Call buying was done on index options front. So I would suggest the quantum of buying that was done by institutions, plus if you match it up with the calls of the options bought today, it doesn't give you that kind of confidence yet. Charts shows little positivity to mixed data. We'll talk about all the indices later on. Indo-china situation still has no clarity. Lots of things, lots of news keep rolling in. Even our defense minister yesterday spoke in parliament session, gave its statement, but again it didn't have any clarity apart from some tensions are cropping up, and we are prepared for any negativity. So that's perfectly fine. Overall, the view is the same as we had in yesterday's session. Let's take a look on Nifty. Nifty for last two sessions has been closing above 20 days moving average. In yesterday's session, when markets fell, it took support. It rather closed at 20 days moving average. Today Nifty opened closed both above 20 days moving average, so it looks like it could be a positive day in coming few sessions in case Nifty stays positive. RSI, MACD are both negative on daily charts. Volume was lesser than yesterday, so this particular recovery that happened in yesterday's session, volumes were lower. So as I've been pointing it out, nowadays markets are going up with lower volumes and going down with higher volumes. So this is what happens exactly in distribution. I personally have the same stance. Markets are in distribution phase. If you have a portfolio, whenever you get a good high, keep booking your profits, keep taking some money off the table. I'm not asking you to go and sell off entire portfolio, because understand, distribution is a phase. It's not a day, it's a phase. It usually happens over a period of 1 to 5 to 6 weeks. Distribution may happen over a couple of months as well. So all I'm suggesting, follow the numbers. For now, Nifty has got support around 11,400. Unless not it's above 11,400, be positive. Above 11,600, it would be a conviction buy. That's the first resistance. In case it happens, you should stick to your stocks. But again, when you get another high, 11,800, 700, start booking some profit, maybe 10% of your portfolio every time markets makes a good high. On Bank Nifty front, good thing that happened is Bank Nifty closed above 50 days moving average. RSI, MACD both are negative. HDFC Bank, which is the biggest contributor of Bank Nifty, managed to save its day before yesterday's low. Now it's very important for HDFC Bank to come up, stay above 1085 and close above 11,000 levels. Otherwise, we could see another downtrend in HDFC Bank, which may drag down the entire banking index. Remember, HDFC Bank is close to 40% contributor in the entire index. So that's why it's very important. For me, Bank Nifty is a conviction buy above 23,200 levels. Rest in yesterday's session as well, we made good 400 points approximately in Bank Nifty. The trade that we gave did massively well. Risk was hardly 100 points. We made approximately 300 points. So it was a good day for us in yesterday's session. Rest on numbers front, unless and until Bank Nifty is above 22,400, be prepared to see 22,800 on the upside. Bank Nifty would be negative below 22,300. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Here is how you should be planning your day in today's session. Nifty is positive unless and until we are above 11,400. Rest, no trade. Bank Nifty again positive above 22,400 and negative below 22,300, no trade. Nifty IT is positive, however extremely deviated as we had in yesterday's session. If you remember, Wipro, we had purchased, it made a high of 310 today, but again it fell little. So bottom line, ITs are positive, but they are extremely deviated from their near-term moving averages. So I would suggest you to wait for a dip to enter any IT stock, or in case you ride the rally, make sure you either go with option writing, or you can alternatively follow strict stop losses. Very important, because the kind of deviation that we have currently in IT index from its 20 days moving average, it's usually this price is not stable. So IT is positive, but I would prefer to buy IT stocks after a little bit of consolidation to correction. Metal index is in consolidation. However, in case it stays above 24,420, the index level, you can be finding some buying opportunities in metals as well, because broadly I've been seeing in last 2-3 sessions they are not showing that kind of weakness. So it's kind of consolidation. So look at the index level of 2420. In case it sustains above it, find some buying opportunities in metal stock. The top picks would be Hindalco, JSW Steel and Tata Steel. Nifty Energy is positive to consolidation. Conviction buy in energy stock, especially Reliance, would be above index level 16,000. Nifty Auto positive, but again more or less it's a sector where you have to be stock specific, not index specific. Rest, here are the stocks that you need to keep on your buy and sell radar. Remember, every day I tell you, this is the radar top picks for buying and selling both. So according to the market scenarios in the session, you need to take your decision, consult your financial advisor, manage your risk, and talk to me in case you feel like. I'm always available, and I give trades to my exclusive clients during the trading day, so you can get back to me anytime. Long radar should contain Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, State Bank of India, majorly banks, Biocon, Cipla, Colpal, that's Colgate-Palmolive, Dabur India, Exide Industries, and IndusInd Bank is what should be on your buying radar. On selling radar, 3 stocks: Bajaj Finserv, Maruti, and United Spirits. So these should be your top buying and selling picks depending upon the market movement. So that would be all in today's session. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So remember, you can always reach me, comment, share, DM. No problem. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.